everyone, and welcome back. Is everything alright with you? I hope it is. Today, we are back to the letters that have four forms. But don't worry, you know how easy they are. And let's start right away. Today's letter is seen. Seen. It is the equivalent of the English letter S. 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 And here's its shape in the isolated form. Take a good look at how I draw it. Then try it on your own. We draw two small semicircles, then a big one. Two small semicircles and a big one. Now, you give it a try, and please pronounce the sound of seen as you draw it. S. S. When seen comes in the initial position, the tail drops off, and the small semicircle continues into a straight line for the connecting segment leading to the following letter. We draw the two small semicircles, then continue with a straight line for the connecting segment. The two small semicircles and a straight line. In the medial position, seen has two connecting segments. We start from the right side and draw a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Then go up to start the first semicircle, then the second one, and continue with a straight line for the connecting segment leading to the following letter. A connecting segment, our seen, and another connecting segment. In the final position, seen keeps its complete form. We only add a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Draw the connecting segment, then add seen in its full shape to close the word. A connecting segment, then seen. To see these different positions in actual words, let's check some examples. In the initial position, seen loses its tail to continue into a connecting segment leading to the following letter. In the medial position, seen also loses its tail, and it has two connecting segments. One coming from the previous letter, and the other is leading to the following letter. In the final position, it keeps its full shape. We only add a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Here, seen took the shape of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. In some other times, when it's preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. So, it doesn't only keep its full shape for the final position, but also stands alone with no connecting segment. To sum everything up, scene has four forms, depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of scene as you draw it. S.